Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best large dog splash pad is probably one of the most exciting and refreshing ways to keep your furry friend cool and entertained during those hot summer days, offering a dedicated space for them to splash, play, and cool off without the need for a full-sized swimming pool, making it an ideal solution for pet owners who want to provide their dogs with a fun and safe water experience right in their own backyard, ensuring hours of enjoyment and a welcome respite from the heat for your beloved canine companion. Number 5. SplashEZ Non-Slip Splash Pad. Say goodbye to slips and falls with our non-slip surface. Keep your little ones and furry friends safe while they splash and play in this awesome sprinkler pool. This is the ultimate summer toy for everyone, including your furry friends. With its durable materials and unique design, everyone will be wagging their tails with excitement. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, it's big enough for the whole family to splash around. Get ready for endless hours of fun in the sun. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with its shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. Plus, it's BPA and phthalates free, so you can have fun without any worries. We're committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied, contact our friendly team for a solution. What we like? If you're looking for maximum space for the whole family, including your furry friends, this is the one. Its generous 69-inch size ensures everyone can splash and play together. The non-slip surface adds an extra layer of safety for both kids and pets, making it perfect for those who prioritize worry-free fun. What people say? This splash pad is large enough for my 2 large dogs to play in at the same time. The material is durable and is held up well to my dog's claws. It's easy to set up and take down, and it drains quickly for storage. Number 4. COMMOUDS Splash Pad 67-inch. Introducing the COMMOUDS Splash Pad, designed for safe and exciting summer fun for both kids and pets. Its non-slip texture ensures a secure play area for everyone. Crafted from thickened, BPA-free PVC, this splash pad is built to withstand energetic play. Its reinforced seams and edges provide extra durability for lasting enjoyment. Enjoy worry-free splashing with its innovative bottom inlet design that prevents leaks. Setup is a breeze, just connect your garden hose and let the fun begin. Easily control the water spray height by adjusting your water pressure. This allows you to customize the splash for the perfect level of fun for your little ones and pets. Transform your backyard into a refreshing oasis with this spacious splash pad. It's ideal for creating joyful bonding moments during hot summer days. Whether it's toddlers, kids aged 4 to 8, or your furry friends, this splash pad offers endless entertainment. Let them run, jump, and splash freely in a safe environment. What we like? For those who need a durable option that can withstand rough play, this splash pad is a great choice. Its extra thick PVC and reinforced seams are built to last, even with energetic kids and pets. The bottom inlet design also contributes to a safer, leak-free experience, making it ideal for families who want a long-lasting summer toy. What people say? Setup was super easy, just connect the hose and you're good to go. The water pressure creates a fun spray that keeps dogs cool and entertained for hours. The material feels durable and holds up well, even with energetic play. It's a great size too, big enough for multiple dogs to enjoy at once without feeling crowded. The splash pad is surprisingly good material, not flimsy or too plastic. The outside ring fills up first, then the height of the spray can be adjusted. The ring around the pad must be emptied too when play is over, and this is a bit of a challenge to drain water out, but can be done. Number 3. Peteast Large Dog and Kids Splash Pad, 51-inch. Keep your furry friends and little ones entertained and cool during hot summer days. This outdoor water play mat offers a fun way for everyone to beat the heat. Made from thickened PVC material, it's built to last and resist scratches. The anti-slip surface ensures safe play for both dogs and kids. Easily control the water height by adjusting your hose's water pressure. It's a great way to have fun while also watering your lawn. Available in multiple sizes, this splash pad can comfortably accommodate pets and children of all sizes, from small pups to larger breeds. Connected directly to a standard 3/4-inch garden hose for instant fun. You can even adjust the water spray direction for optimal enjoyment. Watch them have a blast splashing and playing in the refreshing water. It's the perfect addition to your backyard for endless summer entertainment. What we like. If you have a large dog breed or multiple pets, you should consider this option. It's specifically designed for larger dogs and comes in multiple sizes to ensure a good fit. The durable, thick bottom can handle enthusiastic play, and the adjustable water height allows you to customize the fun for your canine companions. What people say. It's a good size for my 70-pound lab and my 40-pound beagle. The material is thick and durable. The water spray is adjustable, allowing you to control the intensity. Number 2. Peteast Blue Splash Pad for dogs and kids, 67 inches. Beat the heat with our refreshing splash pad. It's the perfect way for your furry friends and little ones to cool down and have fun all summer long. Crafted from thickened PVC, this pool is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can withstand energetic play without easily tearing, providing a safe water experience. Available in multiple sizes, it easily accommodates large breeds like Leonbergers and Rottweilers, as well as smaller pets and children. Everyone can join the fun. Control the water height simply by adjusting your hose's water pressure. It's an eco-friendly way to play, as the water also helps hydrate your lawn. Connect it directly to a standard 3/4-inch garden hose with the included connector. You can even adjust the spray direction for optimal fun. Watch them delight in the fountain effect and splash around. It's guaranteed to provide hours of entertainment and happy memories. What we like. This is a fantastic option if you're looking for a splash pad that caters to larger breeds and offers versatility. Available in 3 sizes, it ensures even the biggest dogs have plenty of room to cool off. The robust construction and adjustable water spray make it a reliable choice for energetic pups and their owners seeking summer fun. What people say. The splash pad is large enough for my 2 large dogs to play in at the same time. The material is durable and has held up well to my dog's claws. It's easy to set up and take down, and it drains quickly for storage. Number 1. Yivsen 79 Dog Pool and Splash Pad. Introducing a unique 2-in-1 design that combines a spacious pool with an engaging splash pad. It's perfect for keeping kids and pets cool and entertained all summer long. Crafted from durable, thickened PVC and a robust PP hard plastic shell, this pool is built for longevity. It's designed to withstand playful splashes and even enthusiastic pets, ensuring it won't easily collapse or get scratched. Safety is paramount with its anti-slip textured surface, providing enhanced grip for worry-free play. Children can run and splash freely without the fear of slipping, making it a secure environment for water fun. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the convenient dual drains. They speed up drainage, saving you time and effort when it's time to change the water or put it away. Enjoy hassle-free setup and storage with its foldable design. It takes just minutes to assemble or pack away, making it perfect for use at home, the beach, or any outdoor adventure. Beat the summer heat and create lasting memories. This versatile pool provides a refreshing escape for your kids and pets, ensuring a fun and cool experience for everyone. What we like. If you're seeking a multifunctional water play solution that combines a pool and a splash pad, this is the perfect fit. Its sturdy hard plastic shell offers excellent durability, and the 2-in-1 design prevents younger children from jumping onto the spray area. The dual drains also make cleanup a breeze, ideal for families who want convenience and varied water fun. What people say. The material is super durable and holds up much better than regular kiddie pools. It's easy to set up, doesn't puncture easily, and my kids have a blast splashing around in it. My crazy German Shepherd that destroys all toys loves this pool, and it is still all together and working after a full summer of my crazy dog. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.